currently on the northbound frontage road of I-35 here near the O'Connor intersection. The work that's being performed right now is the widening of the existing frontage road and the rebuilding of the existing O'Connor exit ramp from the main lanes to the intersection, as well as redoing the existing drainage, storm drain system, and the building of the new columns and caps for the new overhead bridge that will add capacity lanes to the I-35 main lanes. We're pretty much revamping the old system that it was. The main purpose of the rebuilding of the system is just to relocate it and move it out of the way for the new columns. But also we have a lot of these systems that are pretty old from when they were first built. So we're basically removing the old one and replacing it with new structures that will last for many years on to come. This work is expected to be completed by the end of the year if everything goes right and we don't have any major weather impacts.